What a nice project of Haiti. Wow. Who made that project?
Me.
How you doing, my man?
Good.
What's your name?
Wally.
You born and raised in Haiti?
No. I'm born and raised in America.
Mm-hmm.
But my parents are from Haiti.
Wow, that's nice. What make you think of big project like this? So when does Haiti having the independence?
1804.
Okay. Wow, it's very nice.
Oh, Haiti.
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 Very nice.
Hello.
Can you tell more about those people right there?
Those are the heroes of Haiti. They helped Haiti get their independence since 1804.
Okay. Okay. Wow. Look at that. Have you been to Haiti?
No,
How do you know so much about Haiti?
because my mom, and my dad.
Nice. So you must love Haiti.
Yes, I do.
Have you wish anytime soon
Yes.
to go visit Haiti?
Yes, I wish to go visit Haiti.
Oh, wow. What about this? Tell me about this right there.
Oh, that's Haiti's food. That is plankton, and that is fried pork and the onions.
Yummy. What's your best Haitian food?
That right there.
The grill. Nice. So we have so many other projects here, and so many other projects. There's Scotland right there. There is Italy. Italy, Germany, Salvador. There's all the countries, and that boy right there made something of Haiti. Wow, wow! So proud of you, man.
Thank
So
you.
proud of you. So proud of you, mom. For the people that listening to us right now think that Haiti is not a beautiful country as you show us right now, what you want to tell them?
Haiti is a really beautiful country. You guys should go visit sometime.
What would you want to be changed in Haiti?
I want to change in Haiti is what I want to change in Haiti is corruptions.
I heard the people. They're listening to you now.
Here we go. Haiti.
Haiti. You're telling me more about Haiti?
Here
Yeah.
we go.
So this is the country, and my name is Chris. And first, what I want to tell you about is heroes de Vertes. So heroes de Vertes, they were the people that helped Haiti get independence since 1804.
Wow.
And they helped Haiti get independence, and they helped the slaveries in Haiti. Like they helped them, and then the next thing I want to tell you about is this beach. This is Cocoa Beach. It's a really cool beach.
Beautiful, right?
Yeah, and then if you visit it, there's a really cool cave you can go in. You can go at Cocoa Beach, and the beach is really clean and it has beautiful clear water. And then the next thing I would like to tell you about is this city called Jacqueline. Jacqueline in 1964, Jacqueline was dubbed as the city of lights, becoming the first in the Caribbean to have lights.
Wow. Beautiful. And then the food,
Yeah.
they look good, man.
Yeah, that food
Oh,
is that food is plankton, fried pork, and onions.
and onions.
Yes, and if you go to Haiti, you can try it. It's really good. Or you could try it in Naples here too.
Yeah.
Yeah, they have stores in Naples too.
Do you know any place that I can go and try?
No, I think my dad does.
Okay. I will ask him again. Now, this is the mountains of the Haiti?
Yeah, this is the biggest mountain in Haiti.
Wow. Beautiful.
Those are the people in Haiti. They're very happy.
Yeah, these are the people in Haiti. They're very happy
Oh,
because they just ate some food.
I think we all people from the Caribbean,
Yeah.
we always happy.
We always. That's why we have happiness.
Yes, man. Yes, yes.